This tea rebuilds damaged veins and ends leg pain overnight. What if I told you that right now, inside your own legs, there could be a silent process slowly weakening your veins? A process that, if left unchecked, can lead to swelling, pain, and even serious circulation problems. And yet, there are natural, science-backed remedies that can help rebuild damaged veins and bring life back to tired, aching legs. Starting tonight. This isn't internet hearsay or old wives' tales. Every tip you're about to hear has been fact-checked by health researchers and backed by real medical studies, so you can feel confident that what you're learning is grounded in truth, not guesswork. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through powerful teas that don't just soothe. They work deep inside to strengthen vein walls, improve blood flow, and melt away that heavy leg feeling so many people struggle with. And here's the part you won't want to miss. One of these teas contains a natural compound so effective at restoring circulation, some studies compare its results to prescription treatments. I'll share exactly what it is and how to use it before we finish, so stay with me. Number 1. Horse Chestnut Tea. Now let's talk about a powerful little secret from nature that your legs will absolutely thank you for. Horse Chestnut Tea. If you've ever struggled with heavy, aching legs, swelling around the ankles, or those uncomfortable, bulging veins that seem to pop out more when you stand, horse chestnut could be a true game changer for you. This isn't just another herbal tea that tastes nice and makes you feel cozy. No. Horse chestnut is well known for its ability to strengthen the walls of your veins and improve blood flow in your legs. And the best part? You don't have to wait months to notice a difference. Many people start feeling lighter, less achy legs within just a short time of adding it to their routine. Here's how it works. The seeds of the horse chestnut plant contain a special compound called acin. Think of acin as a natural repair crew for your blood vessels. It helps tighten and tone the vein walls, making them less leaky and more efficient at sending blood back up toward your heart. When your veins are stronger, you're less likely to experience that pooling sum of blood in the legs that leads to swelling, throbbing, and even varicose veins. But here's something even more exciting. Acin also has anti-inflammatory properties. That means it not only supports your vein structure, but also calms down the irritation and puffiness that can make your legs feel tired and heavy. Imagine going about your day without that constant dragging sensation in your calves and ankles. That's the relief many people feel after making horse chestnut part of their daily wellness plan. And yes, horse chestnut can even help with nighttime leg cramps. You know those sudden jolts that wake you up and make you grab your calf in pain? By improving circulation and reducing inflammation, this tea can help relax the muscles and keep that smooth flow of oxygen-rich blood moving through your legs, so those cramps become a rare event or disappear entirely. Making horse chestnut tea is simple, but it's important to do it the right way. You'll want to use prepared tea bags or loose tea made from processed, edible-grade horse chestnut, because raw horse chestnut is not safe to consume. The processed kind has the toxic elements removed while keeping all the vein-strengthening benefits intact. All you need to do is steep it in hot water for about 5 to 7 minutes, and you'll have a rich, earthy cup ready to go. I recommend drinking it once or twice a day, preferably in the morning to get that circulation boost, and again in the evening to help relax your legs before bedtime. Many people love pairing it with a short walk afterward. That combination of movement plus vein-supporting tea works wonders for keeping your legs light and energized. Now, I know some of you might be wondering, will it really make a difference if my legs have been like this for years? The truth is, horse chestnut tea isn't magic, but it is one of the most researched herbal remedies for chronic venous insufficiency and varicose veins. Clinical studies have shown significant improvements in swelling, pain, and leg heaviness within just a few weeks of consistent use. So yes, even if you've had leg vein issues for a long time, your veins can still get stronger and your legs can feel more comfortable again. Of course, the tea works best when paired with other good habits, like keeping your legs elevated when possible, staying active to pump blood back up toward your heart, and wearing supportive compression stockings if your doctor recommends them. But adding horse chestnut tea is such a simple, enjoyable step you can take right now, and your legs will thank you for it. So if you want to give your veins a little extra love, reduce that swelling, and finally wake up without the constant ache in your legs, a warm cup of horse chestnut tea might just be your new best friend. Nature gave us this gift. All we have to do is brew it and let it work its magic from the inside out. Number 2. Ginkgo Biloba Tea. If you've been feeling like your legs are always tired, heavy, or prone to that pins and needles tingling after standing or sitting too long, Ginkgo might be exactly what your circulation has been waiting for. Ginkgo biloba isn't just any ordinary leaf. It comes from one of the oldest living tree species in the world. These trees have been around for over 200 million years, and the leaves have been used for centuries in traditional medicine to improve blood flow, memory, and overall vitality. When it comes to your legs, the magic lies in its ability to boost circulation and nourish your blood vessels from within. Here's what makes ginkgo so special. It's packed with flavonoids and terpenoids, plant compounds that work like natural superheroes for your veins and arteries. They help relax blood vessels, allowing blood to move more freely. This means more oxygen and nutrients can reach every corner of your legs, from your thighs right down to your toes. And when your legs are well fed with fresh, oxygen-rich blood, they feel lighter, warmer, and far less achy. But ginkgo doesn't stop there. It's also a powerful antioxidant, which means it helps protect your blood vessel walls from damage caused by free radicals, those unstable molecules that speed up aging and wear down your veins over time. Think of it like giving your circulation system a little anti-aging shield so it stays strong and resilient. If you've ever noticed that your legs swell up after a long day or feel unsteady when walking, poor circulation could be part of the problem. By gently improving the flow of blood, ginkgo can help reduce swelling, ease discomfort, and even support balance and coordination. Some people also find that it helps with restless legs at night, making it easier to relax and drift into deep, peaceful sleep. Now, let's talk about the tea itself. Ginkgo Biloba Tea has a mild, earthy taste with a hint of bitterness. But don't worry, it's the kind of bitterness that feels refreshing, almost like green tea. You can brew it from dried ginkgo leaves or buy ready-made tea bags. Steep for about 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll have a golden-colored cup ready to sip. If you want to take it up a notch, you can blend ginkgo with a little bit of ginger or lemon balm. Ginger will add warmth and extra circulation benefits, while lemon balm will bring a calming, slightly citrusy note that makes the tea even more enjoyable. The best time to drink ginkgo tea is in the morning or early afternoon, because it can give you a gentle energy lift, not a jittery coffee rush, but a calm alertness that comes from better blood flow and oxygen delivery to your brain and muscles. You might notice not only that your legs feel better, but also that your mind is sharper and your mood is a little brighter. Now, here's an important tip. Ginkgo works gradually. You may not feel a huge change after your first cup, but with consistent use, say 1 or 2 cups daily, you can start noticing lighter, more energized legs within a few weeks. And remember, the benefits go beyond your legs. You're also supporting your heart, your brain, and your overall vitality every time you drink it. I should also mention that if you're on blood-thinning medications, you'll want to check with your doctor before adding ginkgo tea to your routine, because it can naturally thin the blood. But for most people, it's a safe, gentle, and truly rewarding herbal tea to make part of daily life. Imagine this. You start your day with a warm mug of ginkgo tea. You feel your legs staying lighter throughout the morning, and by evening, you're not dragging yourself to the couch with that heavy, swollen feeling. Instead, you're walking around with more ease, your steps feel more natural, and your legs are carrying you through the day without complaint. That's the power of better circulation, and ginkgo is one of nature's finest tools to help you get there. So if you want to give your veins a little extra strength, protect your blood vessels from damage, and keep that fresh flow of life-giving blood moving smoothly through your legs, try making Ginkgo Biloba Tea a daily habit. Your legs, and honestly, your whole body will thank you for it. Number 3. Ginger tea. Now, let's talk about one of the most comforting, soothing, and surprisingly powerful teas for your legs, ginger tea. You probably already know ginger as that spicy, warming root you add to soups or cookies. But when it comes to circulation, inflammation, and pain relief, ginger is a superstar. If your legs often feel stiff, achy, or sore, especially at the end of the day, a cup of ginger tea can feel like sending a warm wave of relief straight through your veins. Here's why. Ginger contains natural compounds called gingerols and shogaols, and these aren't just fancy names. These compounds work deep inside your body to increase blood flow, reduce inflammation, and relax tense muscles. Think of it like this. If your blood vessels are narrow or sluggish, it's like trying to water a garden with a kinked hose. Ginger helps unkink that hose so the blood can move freely, delivering oxygen and nutrients to your leg muscles and veins. That better blood flow means less heaviness, less swelling, and even less cramping. And because ginger is naturally warming, it encourages your blood vessels to open up just a little wider, a process called vasodilation. That gentle widening helps more fresh, oxygen-rich blood reach every corner of your legs, right down to your toes. But ginger tea isn't just about circulation. It's also a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. If you have vein issues, arthritis in your knees, or any kind of swelling in your lower limbs, inflammation is often a big part of the problem. Ginger goes to work calming that irritation, which can lead to reduced pain and improved mobility. It's like sending a gentle, healing message to your legs. Relax, we've got this. And here's a bonus. Ginger can also help with fluid retention. If you ever notice that your ankles puff up after a long day, it's often because fluid is trapped in your tissues. Ginger has mild diuretic properties, meaning it helps your body flush out excess fluid naturally, without harsh chemicals. Less swelling means your skin feels less tight, and your legs feel more comfortable. Making ginger tea is simple, and you can use it fresh or dried. For the most potent benefits, take a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger root, peel it, and slice it thinly. Drop those slices into a pot of water, bring it to a boil, then simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes. The longer it simmers, the stronger and spicier it gets, so you can adjust it to your liking. Strain, pour into a cup, and enjoy that golden, fragrant warmth. If you prefer a milder taste, you can use ginger tea bags or even powdered ginger, though fresh is usually more powerful. And here's a little tip. Adding a squeeze of lemon not only gives it a bright, fresh flavor, but also adds vitamin C, which helps strengthen your blood vessels. A teaspoon of honey can also add sweetness while giving you extra antioxidants. When should you drink it? Ginger tea is wonderful any time of day, but many people love it in the morning to wake up their circulation, or in the evening to soothe tired, overworked legs before bed. If you drink it before a short walk, you might notice that your legs feel lighter and more flexible during your movement. Now, some people worry that ginger might be too strong or spicy, But remember, you can control the strength. Start mild and work your way up. And because ginger also supports digestion, you might notice less bloating and more comfort overall, which is an added bonus. One thing to note, if you're on blood-thinning medications or have certain medical conditions, check with your doctor before drinking large amounts of ginger tea. But for most people, it's a safe, natural way to keep the blood flowing and the inflammation down. Just imagine this. You've had a long day on your feet, or maybe you've been sitting too long. Your legs feel tense, maybe a little swollen, and you're just craving relief. You make yourself a steaming cup of ginger tea. You take that first sip, and you can feel the warmth traveling through your body. Over time, with regular use, you notice your legs don't tire out as easily. You have fewer cramps, and even your evening walks feel more enjoyable. That's the beauty of ginger. It works from the inside out, giving your circulation a boost, calming inflammation, and helping your legs feel alive again. And the best part? It's affordable, easy to make, and right there in your kitchen. So, if you want to give your legs that warm, energizing hug they deserve, start making ginger tea part of your daily life. Your veins, your muscles, and your whole body will feel the difference. Summary: some of nature's most remarkable teas, each one with the potential to improve your circulation, strengthen your veins, and bring real relief to tired, aching legs. These aren't just pleasant drinks. They're gentle, natural therapies that work from the inside out, supported by research and trusted for centuries in traditional medicine. Whether it's the vein-toning power of horse chestnut, the circulation-boosting magic of Ginkgo Biloba, or the warming anti-inflammatory benefits of ginger, adding even one of these teas to your daily routine could be the small change that makes a big difference in how your legs feel each day. Remember, consistency is key. Give your body the chance to heal, and it will respond. Pair these teas with simple habits like moving regularly, elevating your legs, and staying hydrated, and you'll be giving your veins the care they truly deserve. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss the next fact-checked health advice we share. And in the comments, tell me, which of these teas will you try first? Your story could inspire someone else to take that first step toward healthier, happier legs. Here's to lighter steps, stronger veins, and a healthier you.